اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم سورة الفاتحة مکیۃ وہی 7 آیات. Surah Al-Fatiha is Makkah with 7 verses. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. Surah is the special name given by the Holy Qur'an itself to its chapters. The chapters revealed before migration of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Makkah are called Makki, and those revealed after his migration to Medina are called Madani. It means that whosoever praises anything anywhere in the universe is ultimately praising Allah, because He is the creator of everything, and admiration of any object is in effect admiration of its producer. The original word in Arabic is Alameen, the plural of Alam, and it's include every possible form of existence: the sky, the earth, the sun, the moon, stars, wind, rain, the angel, the genes, animals, plants, minerals, and of colors. Mean, in the absence of an accurate word in English, it is translated as words. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. This is the translation of the Arabic words Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. Both are attributes of Allah Ta'ala, denoting His extreme mercy. The difference between the two is that Rahman indicates the extensive nature of His mercy, hence it is translated as all merciful, while Rahim refers to its intensive quality, and therefore it is rendered as very merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, the master of the day of requital. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone do we worship, and from you alone do we seek help. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Take us on the straight path. Guidance may be given to someone in two ways. One is that he is verbally directed toward the right path, or it is showed to him from a distance. Then it will depend on him whether or not he adopts the correct direction. The second way of guiding someone is that he is physically taken to the right path. According to the Arabic usage, it is the second types of guidance that is intended here, because in the first case the expression would have been Ihdina ila sirat al-mustaqim. Hence the translation, take us on the straight path. Sirat al-lazina an'amta alayhim, the path of those on whom you have bestowed your grace. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Not of those who have incurred your wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. صدق الله العظيم.